Hi, I'm going to show you how to make the best paper airplane for me, and it's called the glider. Whatever. So let's get started. If you have ever made a classic one, then you should know how to make this one. Well, not really. So you start like a hot dog. Then fold it like this. This is my third time that I'm trying to make this video for you. So you better say thanks. Like this. And then, wait, I forgot. Oh yeah. And then you gotta go like this until it looks like 2 centimeters or something. Like couple centimeters. And then you gotta make sure that this line is lined up with the bottom line. Like this. Then you're gonna do it again. You go hold this down. Gotta hold this down so it doesn't move, and then go like this. And do that with the other side. If you're watching this, I'm not gonna show you how to fly it because my camera's pointing down and it can't point up if it's pointing down. So if you like it, press the like button down there, and if you don't like it, you're mean. So you want this to go down here. You want this to go down here, like this. Oh, what's happening? What's happening to me? Someone just laugh. Like this. Now it should look like a dart. Oh, poof. You can tape it. Right. You have to tape it on the bottom so it doesn't like move or anything. And tape it on the top too so it doesn't like pop out. So I don't think you could staple it because that would mess the whole thing up. And as I said, if you forgot the name, it's called the glider number 2. I said the glider at first, but I meant to say the glider number 2. So if you could see good, say cheesy cheese. And if you didn't, say ah! So hope you liked my video. Likehead. I just make up words like Poikies, yesterday time. I don't know. That's actually the only ones that I saw that I invented. My sister's going. Okay, so was that button? Oh yeah. Bye bye.